Hey guys, I know you're sad and lonely, but don't worry my Pookie Wookie Snooky Cookie Dipped drumstick. I'll help you. I know you just want a track mat for your super cool video, which is super sick, man. So I'll give you a little hand, or a big one. First of all, you need to go to Premiere Pro, you little silly. Anyways, import your stuff that you need. Go to your video that you want to put the track mat on. The video that you want to put in the words will go on the track 1. Then the videos that it will show on the screen will go on track 2 like this. That was a lot of hard work, so go take a short break and come back. After that, you go to the effects panel and search up the track mat key, obviously. It should show up right here and you'll drag it onto your video that's on track 1. Once the little square in the corner is purple, that means that the effect is on the video. Right now, nothing has changed. So in order for the track mat to actually be there, you'll go to the Effect Controls panel and go to where it says Track Mat Key. At Mat, you'll select the drop-down menu and select Video 2, since that's where you put the words you wanted to show. Silly. Boom! That's sick! Now if you want, you can adjust the position of your words so that you can see what's going on. But that black. Ugh, I don't want a black background. Let's change it so that it looks cooler. What you'll do is select both clips and nest them together. You do that by right-clicking them and selecting Nest. That way, both clips will be together into one. Move that clip up to the second video track and place the video you want in the background on the first track so that it can show up under the words. That's super cool now! And voila! You're done! You can edit it to fix it, but that's it. Now this should be the finished product.